Alright. Now, this is the same Cutlass that was on my other channel, and now I'm on the guy with the white Camaro's channel, because I have a white Camaro. But it's been about roughly a year and a half since anything has been done to the Cutlass, and right now I'm working on the front passenger fender. Sand it down to bare metal, you know, do my best I can do, looking for all the highs and lows. Right now it's just perfect, and it just looks perfect right now. No higher lows I've found so far. And yeah, the car looks pretty immaculate for being 40 something years old, 50 years old, what is it now? And not having a single thing done to it. Engine is still pretty toast. Go ahead and pop the hood here for a second. Okay, here we go. It's got a 350 rocket in it right now. Pushes almost 300 horsepower. That's what the manual says, at least. But I'm gonna buy a new. I'm gonna rebuild this one and put it in there. The slideshow that was on the page had the quarter panel destroyed. Well, it's now fixed. It's fiberglassed in, and I think it looks pretty. It's pretty rock solid. And she starts, but she doesn't sound too well. So it's got Flowmaster exhaust on it. That's the only thing that the guy put on it, I guess. So I'll go ahead and start it up real quick. It's even got the little clock spot. AM radio. AC. It came with a 2-speed transmission, and the guy who I bought it from, he put a 350 turbo with it. And the bad thing is it leaks, you know. Alright, here we go. It sounds good, but obviously it's got some problems. Head gasket's leaking on the right side. It leaks out of the right muffler all the time. It's a strong motor, but it just needs to be rebuilt. And the cool thing about this car, because it is so old, you can take this key out and it still runs. I could even start it without the key, but that's another day. But yeah, it is a Supreme, and it's coming along. It's not the best look. It's not the best condition it could be, but it's pretty damn good. So I finished this this fender over here in 2 days, I believe it was, and I think it actually looks really, really good. One of my well, my first sanding job on this car, that was actually a full piece of the car. I still have the top to go right here for this part, but I was starting on the side mainly, but I got most of it finished. There's some rust down there. Nothing too bad. Fixed it up with some fiberglass patches, and I think we'll be on our way. I'll be able to put a video up soon with a once I get the new motor in. I'll be able to put a video up, and Well, the Camaro will be gone because I'm selling the Camaro for money for this thing. It's a 6-cylinder, so that's probably why. But yeah, thanks for checking in, and it's gonna be really, really, really cool when it's all done, and I'll feel great.